So this morning, I'm grateful for the fact that my business is actually online. My youngest, Lydia, is off school sick. It means that I've had to cancel my PT session this morning. I'm still trying to get my 16-year-old out to college. So, of course, yet again, she's late. Never mind. Now, the thing about an online business is that for most people, it takes a lot of time and commitment to building that business. People don't automatically trust you online because they have no connection with you. If you're doing it by advertising and some kind of funnel system, and we do explain what funnels are in our Block the Bitch group, they have no reason to trust you. So something we encourage, particularly in group, is actually reaching out and connecting with people. And if you're working online, one way to do that is video, like I'm doing now, and blogs and guest blogging and just posting on your business page and answering messages and building yourself as an authority. But I was considering this in a bit more depth, and I am lucky to have an online business. It means that if I go away on holiday, I still get paid, for example. If I myself was sick, I still get paid. Yes, there are things I have to do to keep promoting it and for it to keep growing, but that's no different to working in an actual gym in some ways. You have to keep referrals coming in, you have to keep getting new business, you have to keep your current clients satisfied. So today I'm going to post in Block the Bitch group a plan for the whole of January based around building an online business and the steps that I think you need to take, tactical steps to do that, timetabled out for you. So hopefully that will be help to the members of the group. And if you're not a member of the group, then don't forget to join us. We're Block the Bitch on Facebook. The name is about mindset mostly and blocking out all those voices that say you can't do this. Yes, you can. It just takes persistence and not to get scared when you fall at the first hurdle, but to get up and keep going and keep pushing. Okay, and maybe I'll see you later in group where hopefully I'll get this plan up for you. Thanks.